Hi there, John Bowe here, and I'm at Gray's. And if your budget doesn't run to a Phase 3, this is a great entry-level Falcon GT. It's an XB, 4-speed manual, factory power steering, which is very handy, and 351 4V engine. Very, very good survivor car, and they drive beautifully, especially with power steering. This is 351 4V, which means it's got the big ports. It's a Cleveland, of course, and it's not a show car, but it's a good, tidy car. It's a good entree into Falcon GT ownership, in my opinion. Even comes with the original cast exhaust manifold. The engine has extractor exhaust system on it. Pretty tidy car. Factory B2 cloth trim. It's got a cassette player, if you've got any cassettes left. Have a bid on this, and this is actually a good way to start your GT Falcon career if you love GT Falcons. I actually love XBs. They're probably my second favourite model. So there you have it, XB 4-speed manual GT Falcon. Visit grays.com, and every week there's an auction, so remember that. A lot of people seem to say that there's an auction every month. It's every week. So Grays classic cars, have a go. This is a nice car.
So if you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Grays Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Grays on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.